Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn the second type of polymorphism in C#, which is called as method overloading. In the last tutorial we covered method overriding. Now let's quickly recall what polymorphism means. It allows us to use the same method name to perform different tasks. There are two ways to achieve polymorphism in C#. One is method overriding and the second is method overloading. So what is method overloading? It means using the same method name but with different parameter list. For example, in the same code we can create a method named as myMethod. One version can take an integer parameter, another version can take a float parameter. We can also overload it by changing the number of parameters as well. For example, one can take one parameter, another can take two parameters, and so on. Now let's move into the coding environment to see a practical example. Now here we have a class named as calculator. In this class we are using a method to add two integer values. Now there is another method which is used to add three integer values. There is another method which is used to add two double values, right? In the main class we are calling them, and if I run this program, as you can see, this is the output of the program. Now we are using three different methods to perform three different things, and method overload tells us that we can use the same method to perform three different things or four different things. So now let's implement the method overloading, which says that we can have one method to perform different things, and we have that method named as add. Okay, so I have updated this in the calculator class, and now I also have to update in this main method. And if I run this program now, it will display the same output, and this makes the code a lot easier and a lot cleaner. So that's how we use the method overloading in C#. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe.